Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by getting the small lamp base and a cool white LED bulb. You want low heat for safety. Once you have clay and paint ready, make a 0. 5 1-inch clay ring to sit where the shade will attach. While the lamp is unplugged, press the ring onto a removable sleeve or cardboard tube so it keeps shape. This gives you a stable foundation. Make sure to keep your hands slightly damp to prevent cracks while you shape the panda form. You sculpt a white sphere for the panda head, then create two 0.5-inch black ear discs and press them in place. This gives the lamp its silhouette. Once done, hollow the bottom enough to fit over the lamp sleeve, scoring both surfaces and applying glue so the pieces bond. While you assemble, smooth seams with a damp tool. Once the core shape is stable, paint the eye patches, nose, and mouth. This step controls the lamp's final look, so take your time to refine shapes. You finish by painting black details and sealing with a matte varnish so light diffuses softly through the white clay. Once the varnish is dry, install the LED bulb and slide the panda shade onto the lamp sleeve. Secure with a small clamp or adhesive strip if it wobbles. Then test the lamp for proper fit and low heat. If the shape warps or cracks, re-wet the affected area lightly, reshape gently, and dry slowly at room.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.